In this video, I will show you how to translate this PowerPoint presentation in Wordfast Classic using Wordfast Pro. In Wordfast Pro, I will select File, Create Project. I will give my project this name. This is from English into French. And OK. I don't need any TMs, so I can directly drag and drop my PowerPoint file. I will save it. This will create a TXML in my Wordfast Pro folder. I can close this file, switch to the PM perspective, go to Bilingual Export. Here I will drag and drop my TXML. I will select it and I will export it as review. I don't need all these settings here, so I can export the review. And if I go to my Wordfast Pro folder, I will find my bilingual review here. I can open it in Word. I will select the first row. I will cut it. I will copy it on top of the table. I will delete the two columns that I don't need on the right. I will select the column on the left, copy it, insert it into a new document. I'll select it and I'll convert it into text so that it's easier to work in Wordfast Classic. I will save this file under this name. I'll add fr uncleaned and I can start translating it in Wordfast Classic. When a source segment contains tags, as here, they can be selected as placeables in Wordfast Classic with Ctrl-Alt-Right arrow and copy it with Ctrl-Alt down arrow. Same with the second one and the third one. Now my entire document has been translated. I can save it under another name, so I'll delete uncleaned and I will quick clean it in Wordfast Classic. I'll select everything and I will convert it back into a table. I'll select that table, which is a single column. I'll copy it. I'll go back to my original table and here I will paste it. I will delete the extra paragraph marks so that my table is back the way it was. The score column is missing, but it does not matter. I will close this. And I will go back to Wordfast Pro to the Bilingual Export tab of the PM perspective. I will remove this file that I no longer need, and instead I will drag the new bilingual review here. I'll select it, and I will import it. Now if I go back to my Wordfast Pro folder, I have a new TXML, merge.txml. I can go back to the editor, and I can drag that new TXML here. And this is my PowerPoint with the translation. So all I need to do is File, Save Translated File. Now here I will delete unneeded information, so all this, so that I have my original PowerPoint name and FRFR for French. Save. And now I have my translated PowerPoint here, which looks just fine.